your chiropractor tells you you need to go to them for the rest of your life, they're lying to you. Now look, this is definitely one of the biggest misconceptions around chiro care, and I've been a chiro for 20 years. So what even is a misconception? It's a wrong or inaccurate belief, often based on faulty thinking or misunderstanding. So when you don't know that the nervous system is the master controller and it lives in the spinal column, and when the spine gets stuck out of alignment, it adversely affects the nervous system. So then it's easy to think that a quick crack will solve all your issues. But when you understand anatomy and physiology, structure and function, you'll soon realize that chiro care for the spine is like dentistry for the teeth, and you must get consistent care if you want a healthy spine.